Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we're going to show you how to add a contact on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Actually works also on an iPhone 13 Pro and a non-Pro. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. What you want to do is get to your Contacts app, which depends on how your phone is set up. It could be showing up in a lot of different places. So it looks like a little address book. Yeah, it's probably buried in here on the second tab. But you can also always go to the phone and then go to Contacts down here. So hopefully you can find the phone part. So as you can see, this is a new phone with no contacts. So we can just hit plus here and then type in our favorite generic name. And it's always nice to put as much stuff in here as possible. So here it just gives the initials, but you can actually add a photo. So you can choose some emojis or some random stuff. You can also choose a photo or take a new photo. So let's just take that one I took yesterday. There we got the penguin. And done. And done. So now when I look this guy up in the contacts, or I get a message from him, or I get a phone call from him, that image will pop up. I can add the phone number. Actually, that's pretty important. And done. And yeah, now I can add other things. I can leave notes. So if I want to say like, don't mention something like that. So yeah, just a little bit of fun. You can also block this guy, share your location. If you edit, you can actually go back and see a few other things like change the ringtone, change the text tone. So when you get a text message from him, it's unique. So this is actually really useful, like if it's your wife and you want to make sure that you know it's your wife calling so that you pick up, whereas maybe you ignore most other calls. So you can also link contacts, maybe family members or people who work in the same office. So if you can't get one guy on the phone, you can just click over to link to this next person. So that's adding a contact. If you want to remove a contact, you can just go here, edit, and I believe if you go all the way down to the bottom is delete contact. So yeah, let's discard changes. So basically that's how you add and remove a contact on an iPhone 13 Pro Max and many other popular iPhone models nowadays. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version. And today I'm going to show you how to insert and